Hello guys, welcome to Destined to Win tutorials. Today we are on to our Maastricht. Okay, today is Friday, so we have Maastricht. Okay, so here today we're going to be learning about the square root of any number in 3 seconds. So how do we get this in 3 seconds? Before we go further, please try to support my ministry. I beg. Try to click the subscribe button. It's just right there. Click it and try to make just help me to grow and help me to know that you support this particular initiative. We create free videos for math students who are preparing for JAM, WAEC, post-UME, and also for several individuals just like Maastricht that can help you even in your workplace or in a particular exam. So we do this every Friday. Okay, try to please subscribe to this channel, support my ministry. I beg, click the subscribe button. Okay, so today to get the square root of, let's say for instance you have the square root, find the square root of 90. How do you do this? This is going to end up in you have decimals and fractions. So how do we do this quickly without using a calculator? First of all, we need to know in square root you have the perfect squares and non-perfect squares. So what are perfect squares? For example, if you remember in math, perfect squares are like the square root of 4, which is 2, the square root of 9, which is 3, the square root of 16, which is 4, the square root of what's the next one? 25, which is 5, the square root of 36, which is what? 6, and so on till you get to the square root of 144, which is what? 12. Okay, remember in your times table where you have 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4. So those are perfect squares. Okay, so you just need to have this at the back of your mind because we're going to use this to get everyone. So let's go forward to this example. So how do we get the square root of what? 90? We first of all find out what's the closest perfect square to 90, and that will be what? Square root of 81, which is what? 9. So we'll write down 9 here. Then we'll now say 90 minus 81, which will give us what? 9. Then we'll now say divide. We'll now double 9, which is what? 9 plus 9, which is what? 18. So all we need to do is cancel here. We have 1, and 9 in 18 is what? We have 2. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be what? 9.5. And you see, when you punch in your calculator, you're going to get approximately 9.486. You can see this is close. So all you need to do is just approximate this, take 1/8 to this 4, and you still have your what? 9.5 without using your calculator. Okay, let's do another example together. Let's say you have the square root of what? 38. Okay, what's the closest to 38? That will be what? A 36. That's the square root of what? 36. And what's the square root of 36? It's what? A 6. Remember what? We have 38 minus 36. That will give us what? A 2 over, with double 6, which is 6 plus 6. That will give us what? A 12. This will cancel 1, and this will cancel as what? A 6. And what is 1 over 6 in fraction? When you divide that, we're going to get what? A 6.2. Okay, and when you punch in your calculator, you're also going to get a 6.16, and which if you approximate, you still get about 6.2. So okay, let me give you one to do. This is quite easy. Let's say you have a square root of what? 12. How do you get this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3. Have you gotten your answer? The answer to this is just what? 3.5. How do you do this? What's the closest perfect square to 12? That is what? A 9. Okay, that's square root of what? 9. And what would that be? That would be 3. And 12 minus 9 will give us what? A 3. And 1 with double 3. That's divided by what? 6. That's 3 plus 3, which is 6. So this will cancel here 1, and this will cancel here 2. And we're left with what? 3.5. Okay, you can see that. And when you also punch in your calculator, you're going to get what? A 3.46. All right, so we've come to the end of this particular tutorial class. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned. You can try some on your own. Okay, let me give you, let's say, an homework. How do you get this? It's the square root of 138. You can try it. The answer is what? 11.77. Okay, try it on your own and you know how this is what gotten. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned to today's video class on Maastricht. Try, please, I beg, support my ministry by just clicking the subscribe button just to encourage me to do more. All right, thank you. Please don't forget to share to students, share to your fellow colleagues. Okay, so thank you. You are destined to win. Bye.